This video shows how to make a chocolate whipped cream using nitrous gas in a whipped cream dispenser and a boozy Grande Marnier Mandarin Orange Ginger Gelee using a poached fruit soda syrup and a sheet of gelatin. To make a boozy Gelee, first bloom a sheet of gelatin in a bowl of cold water, then measure an ounce or 30 milliliters of Mandarin Orange Ginger soda syrup and 1 ounce of Grande Marnier brandy into a 4-ounce mason jar and place it in a shallow pot with water hot enough to melt the gelatin. Then add boiling hot water over the syrup to just below the rim, and when the gelatin is soft, squeeze out the excess water and mix it into the syrup until the gelatin is dissolved, which is when the mixture reaches a temperature of about 50 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Then transfer the jar to the refrigerator to set the gelatin for at least 2 hours, but longer is better. To make Nitro chocolate whipped cream, scald 400 grams of high-fat cream in a sauce pot and break up a 100-gram dark chocolate bar into a mixing bowl and add 15 milliliters or a tablespoon of Jack Daniel's whiskey. Then when the cream is hot enough to melt the chocolate, mix it in and allow to cool. Transfer it to a whipped cream dispenser canister and place it in the refrigerator to chill completely, about an hour. To charge the whip dispenser, follow the manufacturer's instructions and make sure the seal on the inside of the lid is in place. Then screw the lid on tight and charge the container with a cartridge of nitrous oxide gas. Give the container a good shake to help distribute the gas and remove the spent cartridge. Then invert the container, point the nozzle where you want the chocolate whip to go, and squeeze the trigger. Serve the chocolate whipped cream as a side or on top. Finish with a drizzle of soda syrup and serve with a demi-tasse spoon.